Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading but don't know where to start? You are not alone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Darken Crypto. Today we are going to demystify the exciting yet complex world of cryptocurrency trading. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video is your one-stop guide to everything about cryptocurrency trading. First off, what exactly is cryptocurrency trading? It's the art of speculating on cryptocurrency price movements via a trading platform. Traders buy and sell different cryptocurrencies hoping to make a profit from the change in the market value. Getting started is simpler than it sounds. Step 1. You choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Places like Coinbase, Binance, or OKX are popular starting points. After signing up and securing your account, you deposit funds and you are ready to trade. But what should you trade? Why Bitcoin might be first that comes to mind? Ethereum, XRP, Cardano are other great opportunities. Remember, each coin comes with its own volatility and trading volume that could impact your strategy. And speaking of strategies, let's clear up a common confusion: trading versus investing. Trading is all about making short-term profit from market fluctuations, whereas investing is about holding on to cryptocurrency for long-term gains. But beware, with high potential rewards come high risk. Volatility can lead to significant profits but also substantial losses. And then there's a risk of hacks and scams in less regulated spaces. To stay ahead, you will need tools. These include trading platform, secured wallets, market analysis tool, and sometimes even trading bots. And yes, you can trade on the go with mobile apps offered by most exchanges. Now before you go, let's talk about taxes. Yes, your trades can be taxed depending on where you live. Always keep records. To recap, we have covered how to start trading, what to trade, the difference between trading and investing, the risk involved, the necessary tools, and the tax implications. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our updates. Have any questions or want to share your trading experience? Drop your comments in the comment section. See you guys.